Speaker 1. Hey there, home cooks! Welcome back to our kitchen, where we turn simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Are you ready to make the best grilled cheese sandwich of your life? Trust me, this is going to be a game changer for your taste buds. Stick around and I'll show you how. This isn't just any grilled cheese, it's the ultimate comfort food experience. But first, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit that notification bell. You won't want to miss any of our delicious recipes. Let's get started. Speaker 2. First things first, let's talk ingredients. The quality of your ingredients can make or break your grilled cheese. You'll need 2 slices of your favorite bread. Whether it's sourdough, whole grain, or classic white, choose what you love. A generous amount of butter. This is key for that rich golden crust. And of course, cheese, the star of the show. I recommend a mix of sharp cheddar and creamy mozzarella for the perfect blend of flavors. The sharpness of the cheddar complements the creaminess of the mozzarella beautifully. Speaker 3. Now, onto the prep. Butter 1 side of each slice of bread. Don't be shy with the butter, it makes all the difference. Make sure you spread it evenly, right up to the edges. This ensures every bite is perfectly crispy. This will give you that golden, crispy crust we all love. It's the hallmark of a great grilled cheese. Speaker 1. Next, heat up a skillet over medium-low heat. Patience is key here. You don't want to rush this step. Place 1 slice of bread, buttered side down, in the skillet. You should hear a gentle sizzle. Add your cheese on top, spreading it evenly. Make sure every corner gets some cheesy goodness. Top it with the 2nd slice of bread, buttered side up. This sandwich is ready to transform into something magical. Speaker 2. Time to cook. This is where the magic happens. Let the sandwich cook for about 2-3 minutes on each side. Keep an eye on it to avoid burning. You'll know it's ready to flip when the bottom is golden brown and the cheese starts to melt. Use a spatula to gently lift and check. Speaker 3. Pro tip. If you want an extra gooey center, cover the skillet with a lid for the last minute of cooking. This traps the heat and melts the cheese perfectly. This helps the cheese melt perfectly without burning the bread. It's a little trick that makes a big difference. Speaker 1. Once both sides are golden and the cheese is melted, remove the sandwich from the skillet. Be careful, it's hot. Let it sit for a minute before cutting. This resting time is crucial. This helps the cheese settle and not ooze out everywhere. You want that perfect cheese pull, not a mess. Speaker 2. Now slice it in half and just look at that cheese pull. Absolutely mouth-watering. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Speaker 3. And there you have it, the ultimate grilled cheese sandwich. The perfect grilled cheese sandwich. It's a symphony of textures and flavors. Crispy on the outside, gooey on the inside, and packed with flavor. Every bite is a delight. Speaker 1. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking. We can't wait to see you next time with another mouth-watering